Hey guys, welcome to the new video of Theme Hunk. In this video, we will see how to add the Add to Cart add-on to a WordPress website. First, install and activate the Elemento Addons plugin on your website. Now open the page with Elementor. You can add the add-on anywhere on any page if the page is built with Elementor. Look for the Add to Cart in the Elemento Addons section. Here it is, drag the add-on and drop on the place where you want to add it. You can also search for the add-on from the search bar. After adding the add-on, you will see a search box here. Search for the product. This is the button setting. You can align the button also. You can customize the width, padding, and margin of the button. There are lots of icons in the icon library to show in the button. If don't want the icon, delete it from here. Here you can adjust the icon position and spacing. In the styles, you can change the appearance of the add-on. You can customize the typography, padding, margin, colors, hover color, and more. You can give it a border and border radius. The advanced settings is given to customize the full add-on. After all, save the changes and preview the site. This is our Add to Cart add-on here. When the user clicks on the button, the product will automatically be added to the cart. You can also visit the Add to Cart page where you can see some creative ways to use the Add to Cart add-on. This is all about the Add to Cart add-on. Download from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.